In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple assignees in Asana. While Asana doesn't allow directly assigning multiple people to a single task, there's a smart workaround that can help you achieve the same goal by utilizing subtasks. This method enables you to distribute parts of the main task efficiently to various team members, ensuring collaborative success without any confusion. To start, let's look at your main task. Begin by clicking on the task to which you want to add multiple assignees. As you do this, you'll notice a panel that opens up on the right side of your screen. This panel displays all the details of your task and is where you'll be making the necessary adjustments. Now, here comes the nifty part. Within this panel, look for the option that says Add Subtask. By clicking on this, you'll be able to add subtasks underneath your main task. Subtasks are essentially smaller tasks or steps that contribute to the completion of the larger task at hand. This feature becomes incredibly useful when you want to involve multiple team members. Once you've clicked Add Subtask, it'll appear below your main task, and you can add as many as you need, depending on the complexity and requirements of your main task. Now, focus your attention on the right side of each newly added subtask. You'll notice a small person icon there. This is your access point for assigning specific team members to each subtask. Click on the person icon next to each subtask, and a list of your team members will appear. From here, you can select different people to assign to each subtask, effectively involving multiple assignees in what is collectively your main task. Through this method, you ensure that each part of the task is in the hands of the appropriate team member, aligning with their strengths and availability. And that's it. You've now learned a flexible way to add multiple assignees to a task in Asana using subtasks. This approach not only allows you to divide work responsibly, but also fosters collaboration by clearly defining who is responsible for each component. It's a seamless way to harness the collaborative power of your team while making sure everything stays organized and on track. So go ahead and try this method on your next project, and watch how it enhances your teamwork efficiently.